Welcome. In today's tutorial, we will explore how to change the name of a group on Instagram using your PC. This new update makes it easier than ever to personalize your group chats. Let's get started with the step-by-step process. First, open Instagram on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your messages. Next, look for the messages icon located in the left menu. It typically resembles a paper airplane. Click on this icon to enter your direct messages. Now, find and open the group you want to rename. You will see a list of conversations. Simply click on the one that you wish to modify. Once you're in the group chat, locate the name of the group at the top of the conversation. Click on it, and a menu will appear with options. In this menu, select Change Name. This will allow you to enter a new name for your group. Choose a name that reflects the group's purpose or theme, something fun or meaningful that resonates with all members. After typing in the new name, confirm your choice by clicking on Save or Done. The changes will take effect immediately, and everyone in the group will see the new name in their chat list. And that's it. You've successfully changed the name of your Instagram group on your PC. This simple process can help keep your conversations organized and tailored to your group's identity. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from it. Your support helps us create more content like this. Thank you for watching and enjoy personalizing your Instagram experience.